Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty. Randy here again, going over the Coachmen products. Today we're going to look at an Apex Nano. It's a 187 model. We'll have a down bed in the front, a nice bathroom, a dinette, and a trailer that weighs 3,000 pounds. It's a great weight. Come inside, let's check it out. So the cool part about this trailer is we get a walk around bed, and this is an 18-foot trailer, guys. So we get a walk around bed that does lift up for storage. It has nightstands, power hookups on the base for CPAP machines, overhead storage, but you get the right bed for you guys. If you happen to have guests, it does have a two-person or small four-person dinette here that'll make into an extra bed for the grandkids or for an extra guest, but it's really a nice couples coach. Lightweight. Still, we get full-size refrigerator, top and bottom, not a half. We get a microwave, we get a two-burner cooktop, we got plenty of storage overhead, utensils, gear, a nice sink. And then on the wall, it's pre-wired for our television. It has a stereo, everything you have in a big trailer, but in a small 18-footer. At 3,000 pounds, you can tow it with just about anything. The catch is you get a nice bed when the bed's in front, north, and south. And that means the bathroom is all the way across the back, so we get a nice, better bathroom with some storage in it. And the storage is on the right, so you have linen and clothes hang-ups and all kinds of things there. And then we still get a great corner shower with a skylight. Just a cool little trailer. Small footprint, 20 feet tip to tail, 3,000 pounds. It has the right bed, the right bathroom, because you're going to spend a ton of time outside anyway. So this is a nice, clean little layout. Now let's go look at the outside, and I'll show you what I mean about the outside stuff. We have a nice patio outside awning here. So we got a power awning, one touch, with an LED light bar for nighttime lighting up, and it's about 13 feet long. So it kind of complements your patio. You have power to hook up a TV. You've got a quick disconnect for propane gas for a barbecue. But you're going to spend a lot of time outside in your lawn chairs hanging out here. This does have jacks in every corner. They're all nice crank down jacks. They're not the single arms or the lift jacks. Those will work great. Got our spare. We put a cover on it after we sell it. And on this side we have our outside shower, our city water hookup for the campground, our water heater, our power cord, which is a Marine Co, which is kind of from the marine industry, which is a detachable cord that stores in the front. Satellite and cable. Our discharge for your sewage is in the back, right where you need it. Black and gray, you know. You dumped that before, I'm sure you have. Refrigeration, our potable water fill here for the water you carry with you. It's 35 gallons. And then across the front is our outside storage. And there's our cord that we plug in with, but you'll see underneath there we have lots of room to put lawn chairs, barbecue, all types of gear. Again, the key with the small trailer is it weighs 3,000 pounds. It's to keep it lightweight. Don't overload it. You can tow it with about anything that way. And this floor plan, you get a walk around bed and a nice bathroom across the back. And that's the key, because most of them have a sideways bed or a dinette you got to make into a bed. This is the one that most people will want to buy. And then across the front, we have our propane bottles. We have our lift jack. We put a new battery on it and a battery box, and the coach is rigged and ready for travel. But this is the option that people tend to buy more of because of the bed. Small trailer, lightweight, with the north-south queen walk around and a nice bathroom across the back. So if you'd like to look at that or any more, come by and see me at Guaranty. Thanks for shopping.